other one is your regulator and the cylinder. Okay, so this is your cylinder.
BCD?
BCD is buoyancy control device. Okay, I'll explain one by one. So
I
this
guess
is,
no more.
so this is a cylinder. So usually we have like a misconception thinking that this is oxygen. So this is not oxygen. This is air that we breathe here. So this is in a compressed form in the cylinder. Okay. So the cylinder is attached to the regulator. So when you open the cylinder, the air gets supplied. So this is your regulator. So this is a demanding valve. So when you demand, you get the air. So you are going to breathe through the regulator using only your mouth. So you're not going to use your nose, you're only going to use your mouth. Okay? So this is your BCD. So BCD is buoyancy control device. This helps you as like a life jacket in the surface and also controls your buoyancy underwater. Okay? So now in this scuba you don't have to control anything. Your instructor or your dive master who is going to take you is going to control your buoyancy underwater. Got it? Okay? So this is the mask. Okay? So mask will be covering your sinus, your nose, your eyes. Okay? The whole part will be covered with the mask. And your mouth will have the regulator. Okay? You're going to breathe only through the regulator. How to operate the regulator is, this is your mouthpiece. Okay? So you will be having it inside your mouth. Have you done snorkeling?
Yeah.
Okay, so the same thing. So you open your mouth. E, you bite this. U, you seal it. You seal it with your lips. Okay, so you breathe only through your mouth. Inhale and exhale only through your mouth. Okay, so you are not using your nose. Okay, so when you go down, there are certain air spaces in our body like lungs, ears, sinus, and when you put this mask, it also creates an artificial air spaces. Okay, so when you go down, the pressure gets affected because the pressure is more underwater, right? So the pressure will get affected in your air spaces. Mostly it's going to be your ears. So now, at this point, your eardrum is like this. So when you go down, it slightly bends because of the pressure. Because inside your ears, the pressure will be less. Outside, it will be more. So you got to equalize the pressure inside and outside. So how to do it? There is a method called equalization. So this is, you will be wearing your mask like this. How to do equalization is, you pinch your nose like this. Try to blow. Like you are having like a pressure. You are putting a pressure in your nose and you are trying to exhale through your mouth. Sorry, your nose. So when you do it, your ears are cleared. Can you try? Yeah. Got it? So you are not doing it forcefully, just slightly hold it and then do it. Okay? So underwater you cannot speak. So you speak through hand signals. So we have certain hand signals to communicate underwater. So this is okay. So okay is the question, okay is the answer. So when your dive instructor or dive master is asking you, are you okay? Just say, I'm okay. If suppose you're having any discomfort, just say, I'm not okay. This is okay, this is not okay. This is up, this is down. So usually when someone asks you, are you okay, we like tend to say this. So if your instructor is asking you, are you okay, and you kept doing this, they'll take you up.
Oh.
Okay, so this is okay. This is up. Okay. So this is the sign for equalization signal. So if your instructor or your dive master is pointing like this, that means they are reminding you to do equalization. So just do it, the method that I showed you. So that is equalization. So just do it. So if you have already done equalization, then just say I'm okay. So so the thing is, the equalization is only done when you're going down. When you come up, you don't have to do equalization, because when you're coming up, the pressure is released automatically. So you don't have to put any extra pressure or force from our end. So you do it when you go down. Okay? So that's it. You have any doubt? So this is like a fully assisted program. The dive master will be holding you and you have to just breathe and explore. Okay, you don't have to use your hands, you don't have to use your legs, nothing. You just have to be relaxed, breathe only through your mouth and just enjoy. out. Are you excited?
Yeah. Little scared but excited.
Yeah, they'll like you'll have proper training before you go for the actual dive, so you'll be fine.
Okay.